Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a new chapter number 5, The Camel and the Car. But before going to read the chapter, I want to introduce about some important characters in this chapter, in this story. So first number is Ali, who is the person and the camel driver. Second is Sultan, who is Ali's camel, a car, and the last one is a man who is a driver of the car. Understood, dear? Now let's start the story. Good students, before going to start the story, what we will look, you can look in the above, some images are there. Yes or no? First image, what is saying? Now one hair is there. Second, that hair is taking rest under a tree. Third number is one tortoise is walking steadily. So, dear students, tell me, can you guess? Here is one story, and I hope you might have heard or you might have listened this story from someone. Yes or no? Okay, let me explain it little bit. One day, the hare and the tortoise. One day, a hare and a tortoise decided to have run as a race. So they started to running, and the hare started run very fast, and the tortoise left very far away from the hare because it is a slow learner. Slow, as you know that tortoise cannot walk very fast. Yes or no? So after some time, the hare thought that I came very fast and I will win the race. So let's take a short nap under the shadow, under the tree. So it did like that before the tortoise came. So the hare lay down and it felt sleep very deeply. But the tortoise kept its walking slowly and steadily, and very soon he passed the hare. When the hare woke up, he saw that the tortoise passed me, he left me behind him, and he won the race. So, dear students, what is the moral of the story? ना slow and steady win the race. अगर आप slowly और steadily कोई भी चीज करोगे तो obviously you will win or you will win, achieve your goal. Okay, so let's see what we will find that what is the relation between this story to the chapter. And as we know that whenever we are going to read a chapter, so obviously we will get some new words or hard words. So what we will do, we will put underline them and note down in our copy with the meaning. So let's start. It was a sunny day in the town of Aziz. Shopkeepers had set out lemons and clothes to sell near the road. So the town name is Aziz, and it was very sunny day. And the shopkeepers, what they did, that they set down lemons and clothes near the road. Suddenly, prop came a noisy car down the road. What happened? Suddenly, तुरंत एक कार आए, प्रॉप बहुत ही जोर जोर के आवाज करके डाउन द रोड. These cars are wonderful thing, thought Ali, the camel driver, as he looked at the car go by. Dear students, you can look this picture. The man, he is Ali, and the camel, its name is Sultan, and this is the car. When the car was passing that Ali, the camel driver, he thought that car are the wonderful things. That night, Ali's camel, Sultan, and the car rested in the same shed. They started talking and found that they were both traveling to the town of Jilla the next day. Means that night, the Ali's Sultan and the car rested in the same place, and they were talking that they will in next morning they will go to same place for traveling. Okay, the town of Jila, sorry, my driver and I will get there very fast. We will surely be faster than you, boasted the car. What the car was saying to the camel that my driver or me means हम लोग आप लोगों से पहले जिला में पहुंच जाएंगे. ये boasted means look at. Now learn the meaning of boasted. Boasted means spoke proudly about what it could do. Means proud feel करना. ठीक है. Now come to the next page. The next day it was Sultan and Ali who left fast. They traveled thoughtful of day, dry rock and sand. As the sun rose higher in the sky, it became hotter and hotter. Suddenly they heard behind them on the road, prop, prop. What happened when next day in the morning Sultan or the driver Ali, they left them first, and when they were walking the dry rock or sand means it was too hot, and then when the sun means was brighter in the sky, it became too hotter. So when they were walking, suddenly they heard that the noisy sound from the car, prop, prop. The noisy little car overtook them at a high speed. Means वो कार क्या हुआ, उनको ओवर स्पीड करके उनको क्रॉस कर रहे थे. हरी अप, इट कॉल टू सुल्तान. दैट कार सेड, हरी अप सुल्तान, you will never reach Jilla at this speed. And it drove up down the road. And it was also saying that if you are walking like this, so you will never means in this speed you will never reach the Jilla. Ali and Sultan walked on the same time, sometime. Soon they heard prop, prop, prop. Means as they were walking same speed, they were walking, and after some times they again heard that voice, prop, prop, prop. The sound of the car horns were sad. Ali and Sultan followed the sounds and reached the car. The man in the car was looking very angrily. Means इतनी स्पीड से वो कार उनको क्रॉस करके आया था. दे थॉट दैट द कार ऑलरेडी रीच्ड द जिला, बट इट कुड नॉट. मीन्स आफ्टर फ्यू मीन्स समटाइम्स again they heard the sound prop, 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 and they saw that the car driver was looking the car very angrily. What happened? Let's see. Now I have ran out petrol. I have run out petrol. The car explained sadly. कार ने क्या एक्सप्लेन किया कि जो उनको पेट्रोल दिया जाते हैं कार चलाने के लिए वो ख़त्म हो चुका है. Ali could not help the car, but he offered to take the man into town to his camel. अब अली जो है वो कार मत कैसे मदद करेंगे क्योंकि उनके पास पेट्रोल भी नहीं है। बट उन्होंने क्या ऑफर किया कार ड्राइवर को कि मेरा जो कैमल है सुल्तान है, इट कुड ब्रिंग इट। Students, you can see this image how the sultan borrowed him with the car to the Jila. It was evening when Ali Sultan and the man reached the gates of Jila, but the car had to spend the night uh, alone in the desert. It learned that although the desert is hot by day, it is cold by night. The little girl felt very cold. I wish I had not boasted so much, it said sadly. When they reached to the Jilla, it almost evening, and in the hot time in the during the day, the desert area is become too hot, but when the evening is coming, it's become cold. Okay, so here is the explanations of desert, and mostly we can found the camel in the desert area. Yes or no? But that the what the car was saying boastfully means so proudly that I will reach the Jila first with my high speed. So in the car when the sultan brought him to the Jila, that time the car was feeling very sad. When the sun rose the next morning, the little car felt very lonely, but soon Sultan and Ali came to help the car. Car was feeling means whole night the car was alone, so he it was feeling very lonely. So, but after few times, Sultan and Ali again came to help the car. Ali tied ropes to the car, and Sultan pulled it towards Jila. The little car said, "Prop, prop," in thanks. You can see the image how they helped to the car Ali and the Sultan, and car car said to the Sultan a great thank it gave to the great thanks to the Sultan. So, my dear students, I hope you understood about the chapter. You go through the chapter, learn more about it. Thank you so much. Have a good day.